Hello guys! Today I do have the JBL Partybox on the go too, and I'm going to show you how you can easily enable or disable the bass boost in your speaker. So here, as you can see, I do have the JBL Partybox application, and we have actually two ways of enabling and disabling the bass boost. The one is in the application. In the application, scroll down till you see the bass boost, and now here we can disable or enable this option. Apart from strictly enabling or disabling option, we have two modes, deep and punchy. It's up to you which one you will select. Apart from that, here we have the button called bass boost. Disabled, enabled, and then the mode changing. That's how it works. Goodbye.